First tier 5 and up is a little bit pretty better.
Oh, this is so cheap. I feel kind of bad. I really do. I genuinely feel kind of bad. I haven't lost a single fucking fighter.
We got torpedo bombers coming from A behind me.
Copy, I'm moving back. I'm bringing my guys back. They're gonna take me out. It's guaranteed. They're gonna come after me. If they don't come after me, they're fucking retarded.
They might get this actual, they might get this cruiser. Oh yeah, it's hooking around. Or nah, where the fuck are they going? Oh, no wait, you're right Josh, I think they're looking for you.
Oh fuck. Chris, I mean, Nate, I thought you said you were gonna come and assist me. You're coming to protect me.
Just fight them as much.
It's okay, I'm fucking them up right now.
Yeah, you're good. I'm gonna turn back around. I was heading towards you.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel so cheap.
Dude, they melted. No, we're actually winning on points. No, we're even. What are you talking about? We're gonna be though. This cruiser's about to die though. We're gonna be behind. This cruiser only has... Yep.
Oh, that destroyer's coming for me.
You have another destroyer coming from A.
Enemy aircraft carrier sunk.
You guys got that. I'm going for this battleship. Fucked him up.
That ship can move. That host shell is fast as fuck.
Team has taken the lead.
Careful, Nate. That clouds, there's 2 destroyers in there.
Fighter airborne.
Oh yeah, I need assistance. This fucking destroyer chasing me.
I'm trying. I'm being chased. Oh, what the fuck? How the fuck?
Torpedoes
Starboard.
Fuck
The
you.
ship is on fire. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern. Problem solved, sir.
I know. I'm trying to help Josh. How to pull back.
Yes, I
Ooh.
got him!
Ooh.
Fuck yes!
Alright, Nate, I'm hooking around.
Oh my god, this is so OP. This is way too OP.
I'm at 5,000 health. I didn't do shit, man. I only got one assisted capture. I didn't hit nothing.
Torpedoes, dead
Enemy
ahead.
destroyer foundered.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Taking the lead.
Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes
Oh
direct front.
shit! Oh my god! Look at all those torpedoes!
Torpedoes, dead ahead.
Oh fuck!
Torpedoes, direct
Oh
front.
fuck, Nick! No! No, Nick! Oh, nice.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Holy fuck!